Hi, and welcome to Von's Kitchen. Today I have a wonderful meal for you guys. It's going to be fried shrimp with garlic roasted asparagus, fresh robust tomatoes with balsamic vinaigrette, with basil, some crepes, and to top it all off with some green olives. Amazing, flavorful meal, you guys. So let's get started. The ingredients I used some freshly chopped up cilantro and parsley. I also have my tomatoes there, asparagus, the shrimp, jalapeno peppers chopped up, green peppers chopped up, and some red peppers chopped up as well. Of course, some olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. So the first thing that we do here, you guys, is I added the fresh garlic and all of the peppers and onions in the pot with some olive oil, cooked it on medium to high, just to cook the shrimp. And it takes a couple of minutes, you guys, not too long, literally about 5 minutes, and your shrimp is done. You just want to saute that. The aroma is amazing, the garlic and the jalapeno with the fresh peppers, and all of the seasoning. It's really nice. Once you go ahead and fry up the shrimp, then you're just going to grill the asparagus, lightly grill that as well. I cut up some fresh tomatoes. I have some fresh basil there, threw some crepes in there, and then a balsamic vinaigrette to top it off with the green olives. I hope you enjoyed this quick and flavorful recipe. What an amazing healthy meal, you guys. I topped it with some fresh water, with some fresh strawberries, some mint, and ice to top it off. A wonderful, flavorful, healthy meal. A wonderful, flavorful, healthy meal. If you enjoyed this meal, guys, and you want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. And there you have it. Fried shrimp with garlic roasted asparagus, robust tomatoes chopped up with balsamic vinaigrette, crepes, fresh basil, and green olives. Please subscribe, you guys, if you haven't done so already. Every single week, I'm going to have a new recipe for you guys. This is Von's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Bye.